This simulation shows the motion of an object on an inclined plane under the influence of its weight. In the help option, the detailed theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter m denotes the mass of the object. The parameter theta denotes the angle of the inclined plane. The parameter μ denotes the coefficient of friction between the object and the inclined plane. The parameter SR, simulation rate, indicates the rate of the motion simulation. Along the y-axis direction, the body experiences the component Vy of the weight and the reaction R from the plane. Along the x-axis direction, the body experiences the component Wx of the weight and the friction F from the plane. In the results table, application of Newton's first law on the y-axis and the calculation of reaction R, calculation of friction F, application of Newton's second law on the x-axis and the calculation of acceleration A, equation of the body's velocity and its corresponding value, equation of displacement of the body and its corresponding value. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can hide the results table. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can select various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, the selection of problems are proposed issues corresponding to the simulation. You can solve the problems and check the correctness of the results with the help of the simulation. The user has the ability to run the corresponding simulation in 3 dimensions as well.